Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, welcome back to day 3 or my look 3 for my Halloween series. My name is Shelly for those who don't know me, and if you are returning back to my channel, hey girl, hey. So this look, I'm starting off by just tracing where I'm going to be placing my zipper at on my face, and then I'm going to start going in with my regular face routine. I'm going to record a separate video on my actual face routine, which is why I'm speeding through this. And then now I'm going to just start off by doing my eyebrow, and I already blocked off my other eyebrow too before I even started filming. So now we're going to jump right into the eyeshadow, and I'm on the phone with my baby cousin. She lives in Germany. Hey Layla, if you're watching this. But she actually is the one who picked out my eyeshadow shade and also the paint that I chose for today. So the funny part is when I went back editing this video, I didn't realize that it's literally the same eyeshadow that I did for my scarecrow look. So I'm not going to explain again what exactly I'm doing. And the only thing different that I did versus from that look, I used a little bit more black to kind of smoke it out a little bit more, but literally they're all the same shades because I didn't realize that it was literally the same eyeshadow routine. So you guys can go back to that video and reference that if you want any of the eyeshadows. So yeah, so now we're going to go on my opposite side of my face where we're getting unzipped, and I'm going to just start drawing where my eyeball and also my eyebrow will be. Then I'm going to like kind of jump back over to my other side, and I'm going to start making my half cut crease or cut crease. So I'm like all over the place in this video. Like literally I just keep jumping back and forth, filling it in and just carving out my eyebrow as I would my normal eyebrow. And then I'm just going to start bringing that down and blending it out and kind of cleaning it up a little bit more. We're actually going to go in with the actual zipper part. I'm actually using spirit gum for the very first time. I've never used spirit gum. Jesus, oh my god, I'm clearly risking it all with these freaking scissors. But anyway, this is my first time using spirit gum, and I'm actually got this, where did I get this zipper? I think I got it from the craft store, like either Joann Fabrics or Hobby Lobby, and it was only like 69 cents. Like it's literally nothing. So yeah, so I'm just using spirit gum, and I'm going to use my little fan to kind of help dry it a little bit faster. And yeah, you just slap that bad boy on there. So then after that, we're going to jump right back into the eyeshadow part of our quote unquote eye. I'm using the same eyeshadows I used on my other eye, and I'm just literally drawing on like how my eye would look if it's closed. Yeah, so just keep watching, and I'll talk to you when we get past this part. So now we're going to go in with our foundation routine. I'm going to create a separate video of my full face routine, updated and everything for you guys. So yeah, but that foundation that I'm using, I have been loving. I actually put down my NARS foundation, so you know that's something real. But I'm using now the MAC waterproof, I believe it's called waterproof foundation, and I am in the color NC45. Right now I'm NC47, but the girl at MAC said that they don't have it in this formula. So now I'm going to draw on my fake lips on our unzipped part, and then I'm going to add my favorite lip gloss at the moment, which is the Morphe Groupie lip gloss. I love this combination so freaking much. It's so good. And of course, we can't do nothing without No Fix Plus and a little bit of highlighter. And now to the easiest part of this entire tutorial. We are literally just painting this entire section one solid color. That's it. So I'm grabbing this really light peachy color that Layla picked out for me. And after that, you are done, girl. So that is it for this tutorial, you guys. Easy, right? Literally, this took me not even an hour, okay? Like, this is probably one of the most simple looks you could possibly think of. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on day 4. Bye!